Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. This time we're demonstrating a radio out of a 1966 Pontiac GTO. This comes from Ed in Bridgewater, Massachusetts. My goodness, thank you so much, Ed, for your business from pretty much all the way across the country and diagonally. It's about the longest route possible between my shop and his address. Ed has requested the modern internal conversion to add FM and a heck of a lot more output power, and also the Bluetooth, also the Bluetooth feature. So we're going to make sure it all works before we send her back. So I've got it set to AM at the moment to the to the one strong AM station we receive in Prescott Valley. So let's go ahead and turn it on.
Continue to send her kids to such schools is troubling.
Okay, and while we have it on talk radio, we're going to demonstrate our balance and fader controls.
Have ruled out homeschooling.
Okay, going to try adjusting our front rear fader.
And
Fader adjust.
Okay, so now the same control is adjusting our. Now this guy's not talking nearly enough. All the way front, all the way rear, front, all the way rear. Okay, I'm going to center them.
To take a job before you take the job.
That's pretty well centered.
Fader
set. Okay, left right balance.
So
balance adjust.
Okay, so now this same control is adjusting our left right balance. All the way left, all the way right. Say something quickly. Left, right. Okay, let's center those.
Balance set.
Balance is set. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Okay, so let's go over to FM. Now that we know the Bluetooth's working, and on this type of radio, if there's no original AM/FM switch, the way we switch between bands is to turn it off, then right back on within about half a second. So let's try that. Okay, off, on. Okay, now we're on FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test.
Balance the Valley's throwbacks.
It's time to take your checking experience to the next level.
Okay, and that takes care of it. Let's make sure the dial light flashes on and off, and you can see that it does through openings in the rear of the case. So she's ready to go back, and I'm ready to get on to the next video after I do this gentleman's paperwork. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio up here, and you've just seen what I can do to an old AM radio. I can add FM, Bluetooth, USB, HD radio, and an aux input is always included at no extra charge on a conversion. And so thank you, Ed, for your business all the way from Bridgewater, Massachusetts. To reach me for service, guys, please visit the website that's in the description below, and please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because the work order, that's what that's for. It has all my options and prices, including options for turn times. It's going to save us both about 15 minutes on the phone to have that work order in your hand before calling me with questions. So thanks so much for watching, listening, guys, and we'll see you next time.